how to learn English through mistakes. Learning English through mistakes involves embracing a mindset where errors are seen as opportunities for growth. Here are some ways to do it. Number 1. Practice speaking. Engage in conversations even if you are unsure. The more you speak, the more you will learn from your mistakes. Number 2. Speak without fear. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Instead, focus on improving your communication skills. Number 3. Listen and learn. Pay attention to correction or feedback from others. This will help you identify areas for improvement. Number 4. Read and write. Practice reading and writing in English. This will help you learn new vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structures. Number 5. Immerse yourself in the language. Watch English videos, listen to English podcasts, and try to speak with native speakers. By adopting this approach, you will become more confident and proficient in English over time. Follow for more English with Shan.